I love you, and you're going to want to sit down for this. Another brand has lied to me. Okay, I'm sorry, I couldn't help myself. But seriously, these brands just never cease to disappoint me. I wasn't planning on making this video this week, and I know you're all patiently awaiting the release of my new favorite Amazon brand, and I promise it's coming. I'm almost done editing, and I'm really gonna try to get it out by this Friday instead of Sunday, but I do work, guys, so please bear with me. However, before I tell you what that Amazon brand is, I'm going to tell you what it's not, and that is Rosier. Rosier was in my list of cheap brands to try before the summer, and I had really, really high hopes. I had a great conversation with them where they immediately shared the SDS. The SDS looked great. I was like, yes, absolutely. I went ahead and ordered, yes, with my own money, and patiently awaited the arrival. And so yesterday, when I did these gorgeous glazed nails, I was supposed to be trying this brand, but ultimately that didn't happen. And let me tell you why. But first, let me introduce you to my very best friend. Her name is Linda. Isn't she a precious? You're going to be seeing a lot more of her. And the best part is that she literally costs the same as a venti latte from that place that shall not be named. Of course, I also had to get one for my son. And if you do want yours to look like that one for whatever reason, they do have it in the green color. And I even got this adorable little glass straw with a cute little bear on it. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna link it for you guys, but I did buy this myself and not sponsored. If you're wondering what's in here, it's my favorite thing in the world, cream soda Olipop. Also not sponsored, but I'd love to be. Anyway, back to the real reason we're here. When I first got this, there's like this really odd sticker covering the ingredients list. It just says wipe off excess gel. I don't know why that's there. But anyway, of course, I went ahead and peeled that because do I look like somebody that just blindly trusts the SDS? No, I have been burned too many times. And with good reason, because when you look at the back here, acrylates copolymer, hydroxypropyl methacrylate. Yep, but it gets better. Self-leveling effect, long-lasting, hypoallergenicity. English is not my first language, but I'm 99% sure that's not a word. And so now we've got some more to add to my landfill bag. And because I have no idea how much HPMA is in this, I'm not even comfortable recommending it to the non-allergic girlies. And it's truly a shame because the brush is really nice and so are these bottles. I just don't understand why companies continue to do this. Like, is nobody verifying these things? Literally nobody. I'm so disappointed because I had such high hopes in this one. They are $7. Some of them are $8 to $9 a bottle. Unacceptable. It's the same price as some pro brands. And the SDS even looked pretty good. I messaged them about it and asked, what was the reason for the discrepancy? No response as of yet, but if they do, I will update you guys. But yeah, we can add this to the list of lying brands. And I do have better news to end the week with a brand that misrepresented the SDS, but in a good way because the actual ingredients turned out to be better than the SDS. Anyway, see you there.